For the kids' Christmas present this year, my husband and I gifted them with a 2-night stay in West Edmonton Mall's Fantasyland Hotel. Thanks to a really great Christmas special, we got 2 nights in a theme room at the hotel, plus 4 water park passes, all for a really great price. Each room is 100% devoted to its theme, and it's fun. Let's go check them out. Because we couldn't get 2 nights in a row in the theme room that we wanted, the staff at the hotel generously allowed us to try 1 night each in different theme rooms. So today, we are in the space room, and tomorrow night we will be in the igloo room. Double TVs.
Look at the top.
Bunk beds. Cool. Space beds. Jet tub.
As if the room wasn't cool enough, we then found the main light switch. Our bedspread featured the outline of an astronaut, and there was a mirror above the bed. But get your minds out of the gutter. The only thing the mirror did was serve to highlight how much my husband hogs the bed. Finally, I have proof. Even the bathroom was out of this world.
I'm just hanging out in the kids' lower bunk bed. They won't let us into the top one. It's the kids' clubhouse now. But this place is actually rather comfortable and reminds me a lot of the pod hotel rooms that I've seen for like those pod hotels in Tokyo.
Even the TV's screensaver stuck to the theme of the room. After dinner, we decided it was time to give the hot tub a try.
If I remember correctly from past times that I've stayed at West Edmonton Mall, it takes about 100 years to fill up one of these hot tubs. So we're gonna start really early and get her going. Waiting for the tub to fill. All right, we got the jet tub working.
Now this hot tub was a little smaller in size, but what it lacked in size, it made up in cool factor. Are we in our own hot tub?
Yep.
Woo! Some waterfalls.
I like waterfalls.
You like this? Is this fun?
Mama,
Yeah?
where you're sitting, does the waterfall make you feel nice?
It does.
This is the life.
We loved our space-themed room at West Edmonton Mall and highly recommend it. Theme rooms can get a little pricey, so keep your eyes peeled for deals like we did. What's your favorite theme room? If you like this video, please consider clicking the thumbs up button, leaving me a comment, and even sharing it out on your social media. If you're new to this channel, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, so click that red subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified each time I publish a new video. Happy travels, everyone!